So I bought a CB550 last year and it was a barn find. It never ran right even after I got it running. However, it has good spark, it has good compression, and I went through the carbs. So what's the problem? I tried syncing it up and I put the sync tool on there and it says it has low vacuum on cylinder 2. Here's the thing, these old Hondas have these intake boots made of rubber and they get hard and brittle and they start leaking. So here's how you can check for that. You just gotta get like a gas torch, propane or MAP, turn on the valve, don't light the flame, and wave that shit all over where your intakes are, and if there's a leak, it's gonna suck that gas in, and it's gonna cause your idle to go up, which as you can see, it's doing just that. Now, please take a moment and take a look at this intake boot. That is no bueno, okay? So I bought some new intake boots, I put them on, and I synced the carbs, no problem at all, and now it runs great. What I'd like to know though, is who'd like to see a video of me bombing a tunnel at 1 a.m.?